Hey, good evening all. Welcome to Trader Namanini. This is Jairam. Today I am going to discuss about a strategy which can yield much profit. This I have been back testing for many years, and also I had gained much using this strategy. This strategy also uh, will give you good profit, like 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5 kind of profit with a minimum loss. And also this strategy mainly makes you money like when market is going up and down, like due to some uh, global scenarios, or due to elections, or due to budget things. If market is volatile, um, when market is going like 200-300 points up, 200-300 points down, for some reason, then this could give more profits with small stop loss. Let me start with the scenario. Uh, there are two scenarios for this. One is if market goes up in last 3 to 5 big bullish candles or goes slowly above the 5 EMA. Let me explain you how we can keep 5 EMA indicator in graph. Right now I had removed the 5 EMA. As per the colors, this blue one is 9 EMA and red one is 20 EMA, green is 50 EMA, and this color one is 100 EMA, and light blue one is of 200 EMA. Let me keep the 5 EMA. In trading view platform, go to indicators and just type moving average exponential. It will by default come as a 9. Then go to these settings and keep it as 5. I don't usually change these lengths and all. Just style I will change, color I will change, because we need to differentiate between the EMS, what all on the screen. I will keep this one. Okay, if you want a thicker, you can keep thicker, but I will keep little thinner. Okay, thinner I will keep. Anyhow, we can able to identify the line. So the above one here, this color, I think 5 and 100 are of similar color. Let me change the 5. Just click on this. You will get these tabs again, and style. Let me keep this color. Okay, and even I think 20 and this color looks similar. Okay, let me, or we'll keep it as yellow. Yellow is not that visible. Mhm. This color will keep. So you guys see this 5 EMA right now, right? Here, here, and here. Now let's get to the scenarios, like market goes up in last 3 to 5 bullish candles or goes up slowly above the 5 EMA. Our entry would be once candle doesn't touch 5 EMA and low of the candle broken. Okay, let me explain you. Suppose market goes like this, two second candle, third candle, fourth candle like this, and then it form one bearish candle, and our 5 EMA would be something like this. If it goes something like this, and it doesn't touch this candle. Let's assume I'm not that good at drawing, please. And it doesn't touch this candle, and this is the 5 EMA. Then our entry would be as soon as, okay, 1 minute, and one more candle if it forms like this, and our entry would be as soon as it breaks this low of this candle, and stop loss would be the high of this candle. And again, if it crosses this and we are into the profits, we will we will slip our stop loss to this 5 MA. If again it retraces back and it closes above 5 MA, we will exit the trade. If not, we will hold until it goes to next support 20 MA or 50 MA or CPR or S1 or S2. Okay, I will show the scenarios in the graphical interface. You will get a more idea once I walk through that bank nifty graphs. I had taken a screenshot of like a few scenarios where our approach has been where this approach was there. I captured those scenarios. So when I walk through that, you will get the more clarity on this. Okay. And the other scenario will be market goes down in last 3 to 5 candles like this. Market market never mind, like as I said, this is the first time I am trying these things, so little what difficult. Like market goes in 3 to 4 candles down, and it then it, sh it should not be a green candle. It could be any color candle, but it didn't touch the 5 MA. 5 MA could go something like without touching this. Then we could consider this as a reversal. As soon it breaks this line, as soon as it breaks this line, we can take an entry, and our stop loss until it crosses this 5 MA, our stop loss would be the close of this candle. If it crosses the 5 MA, and our stop loss would be the this 5 MA. If it it reverses and closes above this 5 MA, we need to exit the trade. And our target will be the next resistance or 20 MA or 50 MA or CPR S1 S2 depending upon that. Now let's go to the graphs which I captured. I'm keeping a lot of efforts. Maybe going forward it will become easy for me. Okay, let's get to the graphs. These graphs I just captured for 1.5 to 2 months. See how many scenarios it has been. If we see this scenario, 2 3 candles it went up, but all the candles has touched this 5 MA. The up one is the 5 MA. So there was no trading opportunity here. And if you see, the fall has been from here, and here this candle, middle candle didn't touch the 5 MA. So let me. This middle candle didn't touch the 5 MA. As soon as it crosses this candle, we can take a trade, and we can wait until this 20 MA or previous day low or 50 MA. Here almost we got like 1:5 kind of profit. See this candle length, and here we got 4 5 candles more than that. Let's get to the next graph. If you see this, if we consider since yesterday, this is the candle opened today, and we were bullish, and this candle didn't touch the 5 EMA. This candle didn't touch the 5 EMA, and as soon as it broke, we can enter the trade, and it had crossed the 5 EMA, but as soon as it closed above this 5 EMA, we could exit. Still, we should be in profit here. Okay, and no other scenario. Again, we can see this, but this scenario is invalid because we already take a trade here. Uh, we had a big fall yesterday. Last half an hour we had a fall, and today morning half an hour we had a fall, and we have an opportunity. This candle didn't touch 5 EMA, but almost it didn't cross this candle as well. Here is the opportunity we see, like 5 EMA didn't touch, and we could have entered as soon as it crossed the 5 EMA. But again, we should have our stop loss has been hit here because it came out of the 5 EMA. We should have stop loss. But remember, one of the scenario in this kind of thing is 5 EMA. It works like this very well. Like if we consider somewhere here 5 EMA candle and this 5 EMA something, and if it goes inside and if it comes up and it breaks 5 EMA again with a bigger candle, there is an opportunity we have. It will go further. We'll come across those scenarios going forward as well. So I will discuss that and you will understand more. Okay, and let me see here. Last like previous day, last 30 minutes, there was a bullish momentum, and the other day it opened. This candle was not touching a 5 EMA, but it never crossed below this, and this candle was not touching the 5 EMA. As soon as it break, we would have entered the trade, and let me we would have entered the trade as soon as it breaks, and we would have exited somewhere here as it closed above the 5 EMA. Okay, or we should have taken profit as a 20 EMA. And I don't one more opportunity here, as it went these many candles up here, it didn't touch 5 EMA, and we should have entered as soon as it broken here, and we should have taken opportunity as soon as it hit 20 EMA. And again, I don't see any other opportunity. If you consider this thing, uh, it went up. Only our scenario is it should be upper than 5 EMA. This is the 5 EMA candle. As soon as it crossed this 5 EMA, we could have entered. But our stop loss might have it as soon as it came out of the 5 EMA. Here we might have hit the stop loss. But again, as I mentioned, if market come like this, and if it crosses the 5 EMA and it goes back, and if it falls with a bigger candle, we should definitely enter. We should have entered once it breaks 50 EMA. We should have made a good profit. And even this scenario works here, like confluence here. Today's low and took a support here, and this like didn't touch the 5 EMA, and it went up. We should have entered as soon as it crossed 5 MA, and we should have exited at the yesterday's previous day low. Okay. Let's go to next candle. Yeah, if you see here again, it didn't touch 5 MA. As soon as it crosses this, we could have entered, and we should have entered this CPR. This is a monthly CPR. We could have exited here. Profit or stop loss might have hit as soon as it crosses 5 MA again. Okay, and coming to next. It went below the 5 MA. As soon as it crosses this 5 MA candle, we should have entered and we should have a good profit. And as soon as it is previous day low, we could have exited. Again here, it went down like a 5 MA didn't touch, and as soon as it crosses this candle, we should have entered, and as soon as it touches 50 MA, we should have exited. Okay, same scenario. Everywhere it touched 5 MA. Here it didn't touch 5 MA, but it never crossed this point. Here also it didn't touch 5 MA, but it didn't cross this point. Only here actually I did capture properly. Here it didn't touch the 5 MA. It went up to this here, and again we see like a M kind of breakout. As soon as it breaks here, we could have entered one more opportunity there. And let me talk about the scenario where our stop loss hit. Here it didn't touch 5 MA. As soon as it breaches this, we could have entered. But next candle, it came out of the 5 MA and closed out of the 5 MA. So our stop loss might have hit. Okay, but it is a little stop loss because we entered here and almost exited same step. And here is also same scenario. 5 May, as soon as we cross this, we should have entered and we should have taken profit at 20 MA. Again, same thing. As soon as 5 MA, as soon as we entered here, and we should have taken profit at this CPR level. Okay, if you see here, market came down and we don't find a scenario. This is one of the scenario. 5 MA, as soon as it crossed, we should have taken a trade, and as soon as it closed here, almost at the same point, we would have exited with a minimum stop loss. Okay, and if you see, I don't see any trading opportunity on 5 MA. This is one of the 5 MA trading opportunity, but we should have exited here with a, that is almost we entered the same point and exited at the same point, though it's kind of a minimum stop loss. Okay, and I was talking about the scenario like here. As soon as it is not touching the 5 MA and 5 MA, and as soon as it crosses this candle, we could have entered and we should have exited here if we were thinking of like a 3 to 4 ratio, and we didn't exit here, and we would again get an opportunity to exit here, uh, uh, like as candle closed above the 5 MA, and again we should at least minimum profit we should have exited. And as soon as we see this kind of scenario as I mentioned here, like it crossed the 5 MA and it came down, and again it went back into the 5 MA with a bullish candle. There is every time a chance that it will go up. This is the case. Guys, these are the definite strategies which I am putting here. I am keeping a lot of efforts to make you educate, and also these all trading strategies which I have gained keeping a lot of effort since many years. And to encourage me to keep these post these videos, these kind of videos and all, I required your support as well, like subscribing and liking the videos, and please keep commenting the videos so that I will feel encouraged and make such videos, such kind of more videos. Thank you all.